was a kid at school. I messed around with all the rules. Apologized then, realized I'm not different after all. Many boys thought we had it sessed. Valentino was all who has. My dad said we look ridiculous, but oh, we broke some hearts. Out of jobs, running free, waging war with society. Their black faces look back at me, but nothing ever changed. Voices made in the heat of the night, creeping home before we get to life. I wasted all those precious time and blame it on the wine. I was only joking, my dear, looking for a way to hide my fear. What kind of fool was I? I could never wait. Never found a compromise. Collecting lovers like butterflies. Illusions of their grand first prize are slowly wearing there. Susie, baby, you were good to me. You kept me loving selfishly, but you talk it all too seriously. I guess it has to end. I was only joking, my dear, looking for a way to hide my fear. What kind of fool was I? I could never wait. Yeah, baby. Alright, you turn states for tonight. That's their song. Now you ask me if I'm sincere. That's the questions that I always had. Verse 7 was never clear, but I'll tell you what you want to hear. I'll try to give you all you want, but giving love is not my strongest point. If that's the case, it's pointless going on. I'd rather be alone. 'Cause what I'm doing must be wrong. Pouring my heart out and a song. Owning up for prosperity, for the whole world to see. While now, while I turn the page, I want is over without those stages. The principal would like to leave the stage. The crowd don't understand. I can tell by your eyes that you're probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. There are mirrors. How do I talk about it? How you broke so hard. If I stay you just a little bit longer, if I stay you, won't you listen to my heart? Whoa, whoa, my heart. If I stand on the low, will the shadows hide the color of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the night, pierce the stars in the sky. Don't mean nothing to you. There are mirrors. How do I talk about it? How you broke so hard. If I stay you just a little bit longer, if I stay you, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. Let's take a look on Let the Time. Woo! Nestor song. How do I talk about it? How you broke so hard. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay, you won't you listen to my heart? Oh, my heart. My heart. Whoa, whoa, my heart. Woo! We would like to do another love song, still from Mr. RS. This is called Have I Told You Lately.